Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. This is Natasha here, and in this video we will be studying about the difference between climate and weather. We had started with the chapter climate, and in the previous video we had seen some basic introduction on why do we need to study this chapter and further the topics that we would cover. So the first main topic, the first basic topic that we need to know to understand the concepts of this chapter is the difference between climate and weather. To a common man or to a layman, climate and weather are probably the same thing. But while studying geography, you will get to know that these two are totally different terms. Although the elements or although the factors that define them are the same, but climate and weather are different terms. Now, what is climate? Climate is the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time. These are the keywords: over the large area and for a long period of time. So, climate is the condition of an area, the weather condition or the atmospheric condition of an area, of a large area for a long period of time. It is observed for about 30 to 40 years. Whereas weather is the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Weather is the state of atmosphere over a shorter area for a short period of time. Now, weather can change many times within a day. For example, in the morning, you may see that it is sunny. By noon, you may see that it is raining. And by night, you may see that it is quite chilly or it has turned cold. So, we can say that weather can change many times within a day, whereas climate stays the same for a long period of about 30 to 40 years. The elements that describe these two terms are the same. That is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation. We will study all of them. Temperature is a factor that will influence climate and it will influence weather as well. Now, a question arises: if the elements that influence these two are the same, what is the basic difference then? The difference is all about time period. As I told you, climate is the weather condition of an area for a long period of time, and by long we mean 30 to 40 years. It has been studied, or the climates or the scientists study an area for about 30 to 40 years, and then they come to a conclusion that this area falls under this climatic category. Whereas weather is the state of atmosphere or the condition of atmosphere for about a short period of time. As I told you, it may vary once in a day, it may even vary thrice in a day. So it is day-to-day phenomena of atmosphere. So this is the basic difference between climate and weather. Now, weather conditions may fluctuate very often within a day. Again, in the morning, you may see it is sunny. By noon, you may see it is raining. And in night, it can turn cold. So it may fluctuate, it may change very often within a day. But a common pattern is observed for a period of time. For example, during winters in India, which usually fall from November to February, it is possible that during winters we might see rainfall, we might see sunny days as well, correct? But the common pattern that follows these 4 months is that it is cold throughout these 4 months. So this is the common pattern that we observe for 4 months. So that is why those 4 months have been categorized as cold season. So on the basis of this common pattern, a year is divided into seasons. Similarly, in summer season, you may notice that there is rainfall, or at night it can turn cold quite sometimes. That is change of weather. But during summer season, the thing that is common is it is very hot for few months, and that is why it has been categorized as a particular season, summer season. Similarly, the world is divided into different climatic regions, and India has monsoon type of climate. India falls under the category of monsoon type of climate. So I hope the basic concept of difference between climate and weather is clear. In the next video, we will study about India's monsoon type of climate in detail. So till then, stay safe and have a good day.